Hello everyone, welcome to this day 9 of Advent of Spring Boot. I hope you learn some new stuff and you still enjoy it. I still do, so I will continue, I hope, till the 25th of December. Today we are going to see MockMVC and test slices. So first let me set the screen. Yeah, cool. And we're gonna use test slices. By example, I'm gonna talk about the one we're gonna use. We are gonna use this annotation, WebMVC test. It's to just configure the beans we need in order for Spring Boot to be able to test the web layer. So WebMVC test allows us to use MockMVC and be able to mock the rest. Oh, sorry. Customer endpoints test. MockMVC. So we're going to use change.file, so we don't need that to be public. Let's add WebMVC test. We also need to import our router configuration. Like I said, the router configuration defines all the routes to our endpoints. And we need to get MockMVC. It's configured through the add at WebMVC test. MockMVC. And let's add a mock for customer repository that get the element from the DB. We don't want to trigger a real DB for this test, so we're gonna mock it. And we are gonna add our test. Or we want for this test all our customers. So we want to create our customers. That is, okay, let me show you customers. We need an ID, first name and a last name. ID, ID, string first name, last name. Let's call customer Santa Claus. He buys a lot of toys from our shop, especially this time of the year. And yeah, we need to mock our repository when we call the find all method. So let's go to that, and we return the list of customer with our ID, our first name and our last name. Cool. Oh yeah. Of course, was missing. Let's format that. And now we need to perform a call to our get method. And we want to expect, let's say, a status 200. Okay. Not finding the right stuff, so let's find it. It's request. I guess it's all. Request builder should be okay. Let me check why the import is not there, and let me add everything I need. I don't know why it's not working. Yeah, cool. So now it works, and we want to call customers. Add an exception, and let's see if it works. Okay, there an error. Check customer alert, at least one. Oh yeah, sorry, my mistake. The router function should be in WebMVC test, because in case of the REST controller, we give the REST controller, and we need our customer handler, and it should work. Okay, cool. It's a green test. But we could also test the JSON we receive. So let's try that. So and expect JSON path. So we want to have we want to test that our we want to have one element, our customers, and we want to test the first element of our list. So let's write that ID to test the ID of our first element is the one we set before. I did a mistake. Oh yeah, it's a string. So let's do string. Okay, cool. And let's test our first name and last name. Okay, let's rerun that. Still going cool. So it's for the case get customers when we return all the customers. Let's do the same for the by ID. So let's copy paste that. Customers, customer, and now it's a file by ID with our ID, and we want to return I guess it's an optional, yeah, optional of, and now it's so let's add the ID to the path, and we need to mock more stuff. So let's mock server request to be able to get the path variable of server request. Actually, I'm not sure. Let's try without it. And let's comment what we did before. Let's try to execute it. will it work? I don't know why I wanted to add the MockMVC. Cool. So now let's try to, we don't need that anymore. Let's try to, like we did before, to test our ID and our last name and our first name. So no, it's not an element. It's only one. It's not a list, it's only one element. So let's do that. Actually, let's see if it fails. Okay, it fails with the error I'm expecting. It doesn't. No. Let's name. So let's fix to last name. Let's rerun the test. Okay, cool. Now let's do a create customer. So now it's a post. And it's not the ID. Let's create a customer outside of that. Let's create the first customer. Second, I will explain why in a few minutes. Because I need two ID. First ID, to be sure that when it called save, we will return the second customer. So first customer, and save, guess it returns a real thing. So let's return customer. Okay, cool. And post, we need to create the content type. So JSON, and let's add body. Let's body to content. Our content is. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna copy paste it to be sure I don't do any mistake. So. Okay, cool. So we are going to pass our JSON with our first name, last name. We could add that as well in the payload. Let's see. First name, last name, and we could replace that through that, and it should be second ID to return. Let's try that. Should be okay. I hope. Let's cross our fingers. Okay. What happened? We have 500. I guess because I'm not mocking. Let's be sure with any. Yeah, that's it. So let's remove that, try to fix the real thing. We're gonna debug it. there. We're gonna go to the create customers. Let's see. And let's debug and see. Okay, cool. Our customer is okay. And let's. Okay, it's new because it doesn't recognize the first customers. I don't want to focus too much on that, but I guess it's because our equals is not defined. So let's define it. Let's see. I guess it's that. Let's try it out. That should work. Let's try it out. Okay, cool. Or maybe not. Let me check. I did. Yeah, cool. It was because of the equals and hash code stuff. Cool. So now let's try the delete. And for the delete, we're gonna reuse what we did for the get. Let's go delete, delete by ID. Return. We don't actually, it's not return, so we don't need to mock anything. Delete. Cool. Status is. I don't remember the code. Oh yeah, it's no content. And so I should remove that. So what we need. And let's go back. Cool. So everything should be okay. Let's execute everything. All our 4 tests. Cool. So today I showed you how to test all your endpoint with MockMVC. And tomorrow we'll see another method to test them. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Let me show my piece. And I hope that you want to continue our journey to learn a lot about Spring Boot through this advent of Spring Boot. See you tomorrow. Peace.